Hi, Labi ko. I'm on my way to work. Tapat yung araw sa akin kaya nakakasilaw. Pero, yan. Hello. Ayan. So, pagaling ka and I will see you soon, okay? Let me know kung okay na yung si kuya mo makapag-book. Ah, sabihin mo lang sa akin kung okay na. And then, try ko magpaalam agad kung makaka-uwi ako for emergency purposes. I mean, pag alam na ni kuya kung pwede nakapagpabook si kuya mo or pwede may confirmation na on that weekend kung try ko umuwi, promise papaalam ako, isang araw lang, one Sunday. I want to check on you, tsaka kukunin ko na rin yung gamit ko, and then siguro the next thing is June na, okay? I love you, bye bye for now, pasok na ako, bye bye.